Alright guys, today is the day. It's Dyno Day. You know what that means? Gotta just do a once over the car, check the oil. I gave the inside a quick wipe, and yeah, I went over everything the last couple days with my buddy, just making sure everything's good. Drove it to work, just went through all the plugs, set the gap to between 20 and 22 thou. That's what the tuner recommends, so that's what we're gonna do for this setup, and let's get back at it. Other than that, I'll see you guys at the dyno. Almost there. Alright guys, we just made it to Nick's. We're just waiting in line, and before we know it, we'll be on the dyno. Taking the car in. What do you think, Nick? What do you think?
Should be good. These work rates and supercharges are pretty good.
Yeah.
But you never know what kind of PSI it's gonna run. So the only way to do is find out, try it out, and see.
You heard the man himself. Let's get to it. Alright guys, tuning's all done. Shout out Tuning by Nick. Hit him up for all your tuning needs. RSX is dialed. Time to the streets. Alright guys, the RSX is tuned with the supercharger. We did have the belt, a piece of it break off, so I am gonna have to change that. Looks like it was the tensioner, and yeah. All right, guys, first drive with the RSX tuned. Kick. It's definitely got a kick. Definitely makes some noise. Hearing that supercharger whine is crazy. That's like 70% throttle. Guys, the RSX is tuned, so all this is gonna be ready on YouTube. Got the whole process going down. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Subscribe.